Hello, I'm Cycling Savvy instructor John Allen. I usually ride my cargo bike to bring home groceries, but also I can put up the carrying bag and mount a camera behind the rear wheel so you can see how the bike shifts. The camera looking at this one as I turn it on is on my helmet, and my son Jacob has a third camera on a tripod. We create synchronization markers. 3, 2, 1, boom, and boom, and boom, and boom. Okay.
All right, we've got a little aerobics routine going.
Only high-tech methods pass muster here. This bicycle's rear derailleur shifts with a twist grip at the right end of the handlebar. But for most of this video, keep your eyes on the sprockets to see how I shift. I coast to a stop, already having shifted to my easy starting gear. I put down a foot, raise the opposite pedal into power pedal position, and restart. I shift up to maintain a constant pedaling cadence. I don't shift all the way up. The hardest gears are only for downhills and stiff tailwinds. Here I'm slowing down a couple of times, but not coming to a complete stop. I'll be in my starting gear when I'm going slowly, so I'm ready to pick up speed again if, for example, a red light turns green before I reach it. I've slowed to a crawl here, but I'm ready to accelerate smartly. You may have to shift as often as once per second. Every click you hear now is a shift. Once again, I slow to a crawl, shifting into my starting gear, and then I accelerate, shifting up. That'll do it for today. Okay, I think we got enough for here. I want to go shut everything off now.